Ebyagambwe rizoba of Ankole Western University babanu bashohoze birujura mbigezo by'abeji habari kushoma obhinje no burisa ebihereze kushohozwa ekitongore echa UVTAB. Ombebuzebi awo esingire eihanga ryona no bucheka 19
to reward for the first time, I think in the history of Ankole Western University, our best performing students at national level. The AR has already mentioned that we had the best performance in diploma in animal health, whose pass rate was at 99.6.
Institution zones offering agriculture-based programs. We are the best by 99%. So that is very high.
Urukurebye mshomahar Ankole Western University yahaye ubutumwa obumuhirwe urkwebembere kitongore cy'urukurebyezo by'amatendekero Agaihangwe.
To extend the appreciation from UVTAB when I was requesting for the documents of the students who had completed, the executive director, the executive secretary himself moved from his level down where the transcripts are being made and mentioned what I think I should also mention for you, that this is the largest center they have in the country that should not be
umwaka ukwire awu yakashoza beji rukomeye cyane namshanjo ombibyo bhinja no burisa
is that we retain maybe 5 so that we keep them as teaching assistants to support you, the teaching staff, but also we support them to upgrade and do their bachelor's and maybe they proceed also to do their master's.
Abejo mnana abakozere kurunjo mbebuzebi barongorwa.
Anu batshomesa ebintu bya hand zone kare building ko kwa mashome byo kushaho ushango kubasa kwekora warga utakuza kushanga noza kurundo no kubasa kwetandikira honka drug shop wabo ni license.
So what made me perform better is the courage that is given by our lecturers and our fellow students, because we are always encouraged every day.
In our facilities, computer labs, science labs, money, with all the equipment that you can think about that human agriculture.
Gashakwa maikwa twachire omurishema.